Hey, what's up, my PUNDI X holder? So, what's going on today? I have very suspense, very good news for PUNDI X holder. Yes, I have one special good news also for PUNDI X holder. But first of all, the price prediction of PUNDI X is very important. So, let's get started this brand video, my brother. But if you are new on our channel, then absolutely click our subscribe button, the red like you can see here. Please click the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. So let's start the price prediction of PUNDI X, guys. Before 24 hour and the last previous 7 days, the PUNDI X has completely goes down. Everybody tell me to what we do. We are totally in the lost. So this question is very important to solve it because a lot of holder lost very highly and he decide to this is selling time. Absolutely. If cryptocurrency is starting going down, then this is good to you sell it and be safe from loss. But my friend, if one of the fastest cryptocurrencies goes down this time, you can see here PUNDI X is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. You can see here this time the latest price of PUNDI X as 4.46 US dollar. Guys, this is not a small price. Yes, absolutely. If we talk about the PUNDI X old coin, then absolutely he cannot grow up. And I think this is the PUNDI X plan to convert and to the you can see here PUNDI X new. Absolutely. And PUNDI X name or these three cryptocurrencies or like Sam and one holder, but you can see here the PUNDI X new is very high gone up. But I don't know how is it possible today starting down, they starting dumping and last previous days. But I think this is one big reason, and the reason is that this is the start of month. Yes, this is the start of month. They told now. If you can see here the market cap, full diluted market cap, and the volume especially, the volume of last 24 hours as 52.01% goes down, my friend. This is very bad change for all holders. So what we do in this situation? Sell or buy? Absolutely, this is very good question for everyone, and this is very hard decision because they make you linear and they make you poor. So let's see what we are doing. Okay, my opinion. I also share my opinion in this, but I request you, my friends, to share your opinion. This is very important to you or share your opinion. So hope you comment me and share your opinion. Okay. So this time, guys, let's see the chart of PUNDI X to what's going on in the chart, and then we decide we do and situation because this time was very hard situation and everybody did not understand what we do at this time. So guys, if you see here, okay guys, so I click it on the Sundays and they're loading. Guys, please like this video if you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to YouTube channel. Please, if you need this type more informative video. So guys, the good news which I talk you, the good news is that so I do a giveaway, special giveaway of PUNDI X. Yes, 100 coins of PUNDI X giveaway is coming, so please don't miss this giveaway. Please and take a chance to win it. Okay, so just complete my 10,000 subscriber and take a chance. Okay, first of all, complete my 10,000 subscribers, then I do a special video for this. Okay, so they are loading, guys. The special, let's check out the market cap, everything, and then come to again this point. Okay, so this time you can see here it's in loading. So oh my goodness, okay, how do you feel? How do you feel about PUNDI X new today? Oh my goodness, this is very bad question. Let's check out. So I feel very bad this time. Let's click on the bad to what's going on. Okay, well, everybody know this is bad time. So you can see here the chart is 5.35% going down. So I feel bad clearly. So let's see to what's going on and the chart result. The chart result is on the screen. You can see here. This is the last 7-day chart. Yes, this is the last 7-day chart. If you can see here, last previous 7 days, they are totally going up sometime in the last I think and 1 or 2 days. But I don't know how is it possible today starting after 2 days. They starting very fastly gone down, very fastly goes down, friends. This is not a small speed, this is very high speed. They've gone down. And why they go down? I think this is one reason to people starting selling. Absolutely, when people start one selling, then they're starting dumping. So my friends, if you are starting buying, then absolutely they got up. And this is not financial video, any financial video. Please, if you want to invest any type of currency, I cannot force you. Researchly personally, okay. This time you can see here they take a very small jump, but again they take a very high dump, okay. So what's the reason to they start, they take a small jump and not take a hard jump? If people starting buying, then absolutely they're going up. But in those days everyone, because this is start of month, everyone can sell it, and I think this is the mid of this month. I hope today is going result good. You can see here, no one to feeling good, everyone is feeling bad, okay. So I think this time the voting also very low. So let's see my friends. This time I cannot share you the market cap etc, but I already show you the market cap sector, and the start of this video. So friends, hope you enjoy this video. Please for the X holder, wait and hold and don't sell it. Be wait please for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result and they make you millionaire. Absolutely, the market cap as totally goes down, my friends, and they cannot show it market cap. Why as there is no market cap? So let's see to why they are good. I check it and I special video again for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep subscribe MBS channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.